Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on Peoria County's Cooling and Warming Center applications. These apps help Central Illinois residents locate state-approved cooling and warming centers. These apps can be located on the Peoria County Health Department website, the Peoria County GIS site, and in the description of this video. On the Health Department website, you will click Community Services and then Community Resources. Depending on the time of year, you will either see regional cooling centers or regional warming centers. Since we are recording this video in July, regional cooling centers are displayed. We're going to scroll down to the page to Cooling Centers Interactive Map and click the link to access the application. The GIS division updates these maps every time the state releases their list of approved sites. Zooming out a little, we can see the state-sanctioned cooling centers available in the whole region. Now let's look how to perform a location search. I'm going to type in my office address to the search bar and select how far I'm willing to travel to reach a cooling center. This distance will go up to 10 miles. Within 10 miles of my address, there are 3 cooling centers available. You can click on each element in the list to view the center's details, like so. You are also able to obtain directions to the center's location by clicking on the Directions tab, like so. In wintertime, the Warming Center app functions the same way. Let's take a look at the Warming Centers app. All you have to do in this application is type in your address and click on the site you wish to view the details for, just like the cooling centers. If you have any questions on a cooling or warming site, you can always contact the Peoria County Health Department. This concludes our tutorial on using the Cooling and Warming Center web apps. Thank you for watching. For more videos and other helpful web apps, visit the Peoria County GIS site.